Out, let's get some snacks in our bags, it's gonna be an all-nighter, Lights out, let's get some snacks in our bags, it's gonna be an all-nighter.
Did anyone notice how Robin laughs and giggles in her interviews? I guess it could be passed off as nerves, as she kept mentioning how she is not used to doing interviews. However, I am not sure nerves can excuse some of her statements. One statement that was weird for me, though, is when she talked about the night Summer went missing. If I had no idea about this situation and I just heard her talking about packing snacks and flashlights, I would swear she was maybe going camping with friends, or just for a casual midnight walk. I would have never guessed that Robin was heading out to look for a missing 5-year-old little girl. It just sounded really odd to me. Another thing that stood out to me was that she didn't see it as an emergency situation, even though she described Candus's behavior on the phone as panicked. She said she took her daughter home and then had some stuff to do, so she only went to Ben Hill Road around 9 p.m. Summer was missing for about 3 hours at that point. Robin seemed extremely close to Summer during church services and said that she was like another daughter, so why not rush over to help look for her? What am I missing?